Painting with only one color, usually a single hue mixed with white and black, is a crucial fundamental exercise for beginners. In acrylic painting, it removes the overwhelming complexity of color theory, allowing beginners to focus on essential skills. It helps beginners learn to mix paint and create structure quicker than jumping straight into a full complex color palette. First, just use a value scale. Create a scale of 4 or 5 shades from dark to light to ensure you have enough variety. Start with darker values. It often easier to begin with darker colors and work towards lighter, more detailed areas. Apply the lightest highlights last to make the painting pop. Why this one color painting is easy for beginners and removes pressure. Beginners often struggle with creating muddy colors when mixing two and many pigments. Using one hue, ensure all colors in the painting harmonize perfectly. And focus on value. It teaches the importance of value, the lightness or darkness of the color, which is more crucial. And focus on light, shadow and form, and highlight composition without the distraction of complex color palette. Beginners can focus on composition, brushworks and the overall mood of the piece. So you can get no color mixing chores. You don't have to worry about accidentally mixing mud by combining the wrong colors. You only work with one hue plus black and white. Focus on values. It teaches you how light and dark work. Since you are not distracted by different colors, you can clearly see where shadows go and where highlights belong. Lower investment. You only need 3 tubes of paint to create a professional looking piece. And next, faster learning. Acrylics dry quickly, so by sticking to one color you can focus entirely on your brushwork and blending techniques. So always first you start with one color painting is the perfect and easy mode for beginners because it removes the most stressful part of art, color theory.